Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I have the list of names for the Panda Planner contest. So everybody has a number. So we are going to use the random UX number or a random UX app. So I go in and I'm going to choose, so I have 11 names. So we are going to go 1 to 11 with no repeats. And the first number that pops up is the number that wins. So this is a random generator. So I just push that button and that's it. So here we go. Number 7, Kathy Fored. Woohoo! So Kathy Fored, you are the winner right there. Let me write this down. So, Kathy, what I need you to do is message me on Facebook or on this what we're on, YouTube. It is very early this morning. So message me on YouTube your address, and we will go ahead and get you your lovely Panda Planner. Yay! Along with some other goodies. So if you will message me that, I will go ahead and get that sent out next week or this coming week. I'm still putting things together. So I will film what I put in here into the box, but I will let you get it first before I post it. So please go ahead and let me know where to send this. And in the meantime, I hope you enjoy the stationery selection box that I got yesterday that I opened, which was Saturday. So I had plans to do something else this morning for the video, but unfortunately, I did not get it all done yesterday, so I'm going to move that until Thursday. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday, and I will talk to you in a few days. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I am opening a package that I think might be my Apple Pig notebook and wallet insert, but I'm not sure. So we are going to see, because I thought that came out of I didn't think it came from Japan, but we'll see. So it just says stationery. So I don't know what this is. So we are going to open it up and figure it out. So I thought, at least I could do an unboxing with it if I didn't know exactly what it is, which is very odd. I mean, I know that I did get notification that my Apple Pigs are on their way, the ones that I ordered the day of my marathon, but again, I thought that was coming from not Japan. So we'll see if I can get this sucker open. Okay. Now that it's open. Oh, yay! Yay! It's my stationery box. Yay! Oh, this is awesome. Okay. This is my stationery selection box. I have not ever gotten one of these before, so therefore I did not know what it was. So, yay! Okay, I'm very excited. So this is a beautiful piece of paper. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Okay, this is the May stationery box. Now I know that this is printed now. Happy May. For those of you that were hit with the crazy freezing rain in April, I sure hope that spring has finally arrived where you are. I'm very excited to be sharing you with this month's box, as it includes an item that was just released in mid-April. It also has a sticker sheet created by yours truly. This is Mitt's Life So, oh, I'm so excited. I have not seen this, and so, okay. I'm not going to read the list. I'm just going to open it up. Okay, there's the stationery selection, and that's her card, and that is their information, so you can have it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, maybe I do need the list. Okay. So all of these products are from Japan. So I'm very, very, very freaking excited. So letterpress printing process. So, I don't know what this is. I'm thinking they're it says letter print. I'm thinking they're labels. Let's just open it and see. You have no idea how excited I am about these. I've never gotten one of these boxes, and it took me forever to get on their list. So, oh yay! Oh, it has like a rice paper cover to it. Okay. Oh my God, the texture of that is amazing. Okay, so we're gonna put that there. Okay, this is a Sailor Food Nagoma brush pen. Awesome. All right. And this is Seiko Kata in Classic-y. Think that this is the Classic-y stamp of the porcelain. It is a porcelain stamp to be used with an ink pad with the cork board as your stamping surface, or in conjunction with the wax sticks to create a wax seal. Note there is slight color on the stamp. Okay. Oh, it's like a balloon. That is cool. Let me see if I can get that up closer so you guys can kind of see it. Ah! Yay! Okay. This is a kashi. Let's see. Kashi paper. I'm gonna put this up so all of you can see what's in here, because I obviously am going to butcher all of these names. Furukawa 3120 kashi paper, great for writing letters or to get creative and rip apart in your journals. That's what this is. And we're going to open this. Oh my goodness. Okay. That paper is amazing. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, yeah, you can. Good. So it's got like a pattern to it. And one side is really smooth, and the other side has like a brushed cotton feel. Oh, that paper is amazing. Oh. Okay, so we're going to put that back in there. Watermark paper. Very cool. And so that's the print of the paper that's on the outside of that. Very cool. Put all of these back in when I do it. Sealing wax. Tokyo Antique sealing wax. Very cool in silver. And you can use it with the porcelain stamp. Very cool. Empty tape. Oh, that's awesome. It's like trees. Oh my God, I love that. Oh, this is the first MT tape that I've ever gotten. Okay. Okay, and this is, these are the stickers by Mitt. Okay, Mitts. And let's see. Created, okay, washi stickers. Created using swatches from my personal journal. These nice and thin washi stickers were created right here in Japan. Oh, that is so awesome. Oh, I love it. Those are so cool. Oh my God, and they're so thin. I mean, literally, they feel like washi tape. That is, oh, they are beautiful. Very cool. And then this, all right, the sheet's getting crazy. Ah, and then this is, oh, Nishishuku origami. These beautiful origami papers were just released in May-April. I love bringing you items that are brand new to the market, especially from a talented artist such as Nishishuku. Oh, very cool. And oh, look at the little pins. That is so cool. So it's origami paper, and they're birds. So let's open this sucker up. And again, I do apologize for butchering all of these names. I do not speak Japanese, and this is the first box from Japan I've ever gotten. And so, yeah. Okay, I love those paper clips. Those are freaking awesome. How cool are those? So there's that. We'll put those down. And, all right. Oh, very cool. So that looks more like a pelican. Oh, it's thicker. I mean, it's, you know, origami paper that I've ever felt has always been really thin, but this is beautiful. And those look like bluebirds. And then that's so pretty with the pinwheels and the doves. Oh, look. And you can see that's more of the watercolor or watermark paper. You can see it with the pattern on it with a colored paper underneath. That is just so cool. So you can kind of see it. Yeah. Ah, very, very, very cool. So yeah, that is awesome. I believe the shipment, everything of this box is, I think it was $44. It's one of the pricier ones, but it's all stuff that you really can't get here. I mean, I think, I'm not sure, but as far as I can tell, I mean, all of it's from Japan. So, yeah, I think it's awesome. And, the porcelain stamp, everything is just gorgeous. So, yeah, I am very excited for my first box. Very, very cool. Yeah, so there's the origami paper with the clips. And then the washi stickers that Mitz made herself. And the MT tape, the Kumoe paper tape that's got the trees, which I love. Then the sealing wax, which is very, very cool. The Kaishi watermark paper, which is awesome. Then the porcelain stamp from, which is with Classici and Seiko Okada. And then the Sailor brush pen, which is very cool. And then the I'm thinking, of course I put it all on the bottom. The label book. Okay, so these are labels, Classici label book. So they're Classici labels. Very cool. I love that. Oh yeah, classici.co.japan. Yay! So there is my May stationery box, stationery selection box, and it is beautiful, and I am going to love getting this. So again, and this has the, this is a printed piece of paper. They used to actually print these at their shop and hand cut them, but they decided to have a printer do them. So, which I seriously do not blame them. So, but their business cards are amazing. So yeah, that is very cool. So I was right. It was not my apple pig. It was from Japan, and it was from the Stationery selection. So there you go. The May Stationery selection box. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will probably include this into another video. So there you go. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.